Hey guys, welcome back to Ability Connects. This is another episode of Forward Thinking. Today we're going to be talking about the 57 to 60 door handle, forward look door handle. Now these are good design. These are good looking design in the winter when these were new, when these were used or new cars. These would freeze up, and there's a little cast piece behind in the door in the mechanism, and if you pulled it, you actually pull and press down. So if you just reefed on it, it would actually break. So they're not the best. They're, like I said, good looking design, good design, but not really the greatest. So that's why they changed them. And you could actually get 64 Fargo has these. So yeah. And we'll be back, guys.